Dear students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Beam. Today I am going to explain the poem The Tiger by William Blake. Uh, in this poem, the poet expresses wonder at the creation of the animal tiger, which is very fierce. This poem was included in his volume of collections, volume of poems, which is known as Songs of Experience. This He says, "Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry?" In this stanza, he addresses the tiger by saying, "Tiger, tiger, burning bright." He says that the tiger has eyes which are very bright, which appears burning, and it wanders in the forest at night. He wonders at the creation of this animal. He asks the question, uh, what immortal hands or eye made this creature, uh, means a tiger, which is very fierce and awful. In what distant deeps or skies burnt the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? The poet speaks about the uh, brightness in the eyes of the tiger, and that he wonders and asks many questions like, um, where was the fire which god or any supernatural beings who created the tiger um, use this fire? In what distant deeps or skies? He asked the question, where was this brightness um, burnt the fire of thine eyes? He asked this question, where was this fire which God brought to put in the eyes of the tiger? On what wings dare he aspire, and on what wings he flew to brought those eyes, sorry, those to to bring that fire? What the hand dare seize the fire? And he wonders what were those hands who created and who put the fire in the eyes of the tiger? And what solder and what art could twist the sinew of thy heart? And when thy heart began to beat, what red hand and what red feet? What the poet now speaks about the heart of the tiger. He asked the question, uh, what what art um, the god used in creating the heart of the tiger, and by which art he twisted the sinews um, of the heart of the tiger. And when thy heart began to beat, what dread hand, what dread feet? And when the heart of the tiger began to beat, when this animal or creature came to life, um, it was very dreadful and awe-inspiring. And the poet asks, what hands and feet uh, dare to create this animal? What the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp? Now the poet speaks about the brain of the tiger. He says that the supernatural being or God who created this tiger would have used many things to create the brain of the tiger, like hammer, chains, furnace, um, and anvil. These things create awe in our mind when we think about these things. In the same way, the the god would have used these things to create the mind or the brain of the tiger, which is very fierce and cruel. And when the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee. When the stars, when when God created this fire's animal, the stars hid themselves, and they began to shed tears in the form of the arrows. They began to shed tears because they were feeling grief over for they were feeling grief for human beings. Um, and watered heaven with their tears. Did he smile his work to see? The poet asked the question when the god uh, looked at the creation of his. Uh, when he looked at the tiger, which was his own creation, did he smile? Did he feel happy by creating this animal? Did he who made the animal make thee? And now the poet asks the question uh, whether it was the same person who created the lamb also created a tiger. Lamb is the symbol of innocence, and tiger is the symbol of cruelty. And so he wonders how the how God who created lamb also can create the tiger, which is very opposite to the lamb. The tiger, tiger burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? Now the poet repeats the same stanza which he used in the starting of the poem. He says, tiger, tiger burning bright in the forest of the night. That tiger is burning bright. It has bright eyes, and it wanders in the forest at night. And what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? And he now asks the question, uh, who created uh, the who created this fearful animal, which is very awe-inspiring and fearful. Uh, in this poem, the poet wants to say that the tiger is very fierce and fearful and awe-inspiring creature. Ordinary person cannot create it. So it surely it was a god or some supernatural power who would have created this animal. In this poem, the poet uh, wants to speak about the experiences. Uh, just as lamb is the symbol of innocence, um, tiger is symbol of fierceness. Uh, the poet wants to say that the qualities which the tiger has, like fireness and cruelty, are also needed in the soul to break the bonds of experience. Thank you.